Hello everyone. Today we were discussing the chapter number 2 class 9 physics. We have announcement also in our channel. So today discussion is also very key points. The first one is mechanics, the second one is kinematics, and the third one is dynamics. So the discussion is about is also physics, the branch of physics which deal with the study of motion of bodies. In this branch we deals two things. The first one is motions and the second one is forces. In this branch we discuss two things, which is mechanics. The first one is motion of object, motion of any object, motion of everything, any type of motion. Got it? And also motion of when two object motion, it have a specific force. So we also discuss this type of force. Okay, so the second one is the branch of mechanics, which is kinematics. Kinematics is the branch of mechanics. In kinematics we study only motion, only motion, not cause of force, that why this motion occurred. We not study this point, we study only this, that kinematics is the study of kinematics is the branch of mechanics, and mechanics is the branch of physics. So as a whole kinematics is also a branch of physics, and we deal with this discussion of object without reference any forces. So as a result, kinematics we deal what, we deal only motion of objects, which is rotatory, which is linear, which is translatory, which is vibratory, and so on. Move on. So the second branch of mechanics is dynamics. Mechanics is the branch of physics, dynamics is the branch of mechanics. As a whole dynamics is the branch of physics. Done. So it is the study of motion of object under the action of forces. In this branch we deal with the forces of two object. When two object move one another, it act one another force. That's force we study in dynamics branch. So as a whole, mechanics, kinematics, and dynamics is the study of motion of object and related with a force. So motion of object relation with a force, and kinematics not with a force, and dynamics not with a motion, only forces. So mechanics is a branch of physics, kinematics is a branch of physics, and dynamics is also the branch of physics. But as a whole, kinematics and dynamics is a branch of mechanics. And the first one is related with the force, the second one is related with the motion without force, and the third one is related with the force not with the motion. Thank you.